Hi there, it's Mara from Mara's Mandalas. Today I am fixing this mandala. I painted this a few weeks ago and it just doesn't work. There's a few things I'll show you. So I wanted this to be like a pastel mandala. I wanted it to be purple for the crown chakra, which is what this symbol means. It's the Om symbol for the crown chakra, and the lotus is representing like the enlightenment, purity of the crown chakra. However, as much as I wanted this to be like this light energy and really pastel, and some of you might even really like it just like this, but I am getting a different calling to this piece. So I am feeling like we need a little more contrast. It's just kind of like from far away, it's kind of bland. So I want it to really pop and be a little more purple and less blended. I want it to be a little more popping in some areas. And what that's going to do, you'll see, is brighten up the middle. So just watch as I kind of go along here today and see how just these little changes can really make a big effect on this painting. Now that this layer is darker, do you see how that's already starting to make the inside pop? So I really like how this is going. I'm gonna do another like darker layer in here now so you can see how that goes. And as I'm painting today, I'll talk to you a little bit about mandalas and this mandala in particular. So mandalas that I make at Mara's Mandalas are all made with an intention. So each mandala has a specific energy put into the mandala. And that's energy is called the intention, which is usually a set of words or a quote. So the intention of this one, I don't have it on the top of my head, so it's underneath the video. You can see the intention for this one, and I know the energy of it, so a lot of times I come up with the energy of the mandala before I come up with the actual words. So that's the case with this one. I came up with the energy, which is the crown chakra, and this mandala balances and opens the crown chakra. That's the idea. It's sort of like a mini little Reiki session to help clear and connect your crown chakra with spirit. So this particular color combination with the soft whites and purples, and it's kind of like mystical feeling, is the energy of the crown chakra. So when I'm meditating and painting, as I am here, I am embedding this with the energy of the feeling of the crown chakra. And it's just intention that does that. It infuses the particles of this paint with the energy of the crown chakra, or enlightenment, clarity, connectedness to the divine, connectedness to your truth. So that energy, being that connectedness, is the energy in this mandala. So if you're feeling disconnected or kind of only focusing on the small picture instead of the big picture, this mandala can help connect and help things make sense, help communication with angels and with spirit, to keep you connected to your intuition and to your inner guide and your inner knowledge, that wisdom that's within you. in yoga, we use meditation and movement to connect to the inner wisdom. And this mandala kind of brings that together with the lotus here in the center. That's what that represents. And a lot of times in yoga, we see this Om symbol here in the center. And that Om symbol is a sign of connectedness to spirit and to oneness. The last thing I want to do is really make this lotus in the center pop. From far away, when I set it up on the wall or on a mantle or my desk, I noticed that kind of gets lost, and you can see how already like magical it's becoming and with the contrast. So I really want to pump up that contrast in the center. So as I'm painting this, I do want to tell you that even though this mandala in particular can help you connect to divine and open the crown chakra and help you connect to your truth, not only will this mandala bring you there, the energy of it will remind you that, of course, but I also do think that there is a power in the making of the mandala. The energy that I'm putting in to the piece is a transformational energy. It's meant to be that for anyone who sees this mandala, but it also, to me, is helping me to connect. So if you're looking for something in your life that you want to connect to, whether it is the crown chakra or just mindfulness or connecting to peace on a deeper level, try making a mandala. And I really encourage you to kind of follow through my videos and my techniques that you see here. And you can just follow along with me. But if you really want to get into a little bit more information, my intensive class, so I would say, is really fun, and it's online, and it's really a way that I teach you to connect to your mindfulness practice. And whether you're already doing a mindfulness practice or if you sort of wanted to start one, my Mara's Mandalas and Mindfulness class is at maracarlini.com. The link's below this video. And that class is where you can learn my step-by-step techniques of how I find my intention, how I'm really connecting energetically to making these mandalas. And that's what sort of calls me to change this color scheme or even choose a color scheme. It's not something that I do just because. This isn't a craft that I just sit in front of the TV and do. This is something that is deeper and has meaning, and it's all connected and guided by spirit. And if you take my class, you'll see exactly how I get there, because I teach you how to get there. And it's really fun. I really think if you're enjoying this video that you would enjoy the class. So go ahead to maracarlini.com and check out the Mandalas and Mindfulness course. Or while you're there, you can look at my mandala shop, and that's where you'll see mandalas like this one. And you'll see the ones that really call to you and what energy you're looking for in your life. So just like this one with the crown chakra energy, I really like how this one kind of turned around for us here. And you can see this gold really makes everything shimmer. And that's it. So I might do a couple finishing touches on this, but I just really wanted to show you how awesome and amazing it is when you listen to spirit and feel guided, that even a finished piece can be changed. And that's okay, because that means the energy changed, and energy is always changing. So we need to listen and adapt. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe to my channel, give this a like, share with your friends just because you think it's cool, and that would mean so much to me and to the energy in the art that is ultimately trying to shine light and love to this world. So thank you. Hi there, I'm Mara Carlini from Mara's Mandalas. Today I'm answering your questions about Mara's Mandalas and Mindfulness course. This course is an online mandala painting art class. It's integrated with mindfulness and meditation techniques. This online course can be taken at your own pace from anywhere. You can sign up anytime and have access for life. Watch my free welcome videos to really get to know what you'll learn in the class. It is fun, creative, entertaining, and soul connecting. This class is a personal growth journey full of creativity, learning meditation, and mindfulness, and it has videos of me guiding you with fun worksheets called Creative Soul Sheets. You'll learn 8 different meditations that are my personal favorites, how to find your intention by connecting to your intuition, and you'll make your own mandala from start to finish with my own techniques and your own color palette. Why take this class? Well, to develop your intuition, set intentions, and learn ways to be more at peace and engage in a creative activity. You'll make art for your space and have so much fun. My class is known as Painting with a Twist, but at home with your BFF's heart and soul. It's perfect for staying in, and you can even invite your friends to join from anywhere. Watch my free welcome videos to learn more. The link is below this video, and please subscribe and share this video to share the light and positivity. I can't wait to see you in the course.